Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see two important tools used in Creo. One is Thicken and another is Revolve. First of all, we will select our working directory. Okay. Now select New, Revolve and Thicken. Okay. To use Revolve command, we have two options. We will see by one. First is we have to select plane and we have to sketch. We have to draw one center line about which want to revolve our figure, our shape. Let's suppose we want to revolve this circle about this center line. Say OK, and now just need to click on revolve, and here you go. Right, automatically it gets selected 360 degree. If you want to change it, you can change it from here like 270. If you want to flip the direction, then you can flip the direction of your feature. Okay. Here you can see options. Okay, here we have two surface, one is this and another is this. Okay, we have one option symmetry. If we want to change the dimension symmetrically, then you can select symmetry option like this. If you select variable, then you have side to option. Here you can also select variable, and according to your requirement you can flip it like this. Up to reference also there. If you want to revolve this command from here to this plane only, then you can click here like this. Okay, one more method also there. We'll see. Another method is that we have to click on revolve first. Okay, after that you have to select one plane. Now you can draw circle. We have to draw center line, and okay, and here you go. Okay, so this is about the revolve command. So click on the revolve, select the plane, and draw anything. Okay, and draw one center line, and okay, and how revolve command works. Okay, another is thicken command. You can see. Let's suppose this is not solid. Edit the definition and convert it into surface. Okay, and say okay. Now you can see this is blue. Okay, this is not solid. and here you are able to see the option thicken. You can select it, and now you can give thickness to it like 10 mm. Now this is hollow but having the thickness of 1 mm, sorry 10 mm. Okay, so in this video we have seen one command revolve and another is thicken, how to use both the tools. Thank you.